Alright guys, it has been long awaited, but here it is, the iPhone 12 phone scope case. This is going to fit the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Let's take an inside look at the case. All of the Phone Scope Pro cases, it does have the 4 rubber bumpers in the corner, as well as the open foam cell strips on the back. So essentially when you pop your phone in there, it's actually not in contact with any of the hard plastic. So when the phone is in the case, any dirt, dust, whatnot, it's just actually going to pass through, and most of that's not going to come in contact with your phone because of the strips and the bumpers. So it's a free floating case design. Of course, the disc is removable, so for your everyday use case, just pop the disc off and there you go. It also has raised edges to help protect the screen, an ergonomic grip. To show you real quick the disc operation, slide it up or you can slide it down. Just make sure that it's engaged in one of those holes. Slide it up or down or remove it off. And there you go. The iPhone 12, 12 Pro phone scope case.